beautiful, welcome back. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Hi, beautiful. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used liquid lipstick on my eyes. You heard me right. So if you want to match your eyeshadow with your lipstick and you don't have that eyeshadow that matches the lipstick color, well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to match your eyeshadow with the lipstick, or how to apply lipstick on your eyes. Well, you know what I mean, right? And I want to mention that it's best to use a matte liquid lipstick or a long lasting liquid lipstick. I have a cat hair on my nail. So yeah, it's best to use a long lasting liquid lipstick or a matte lipstick. As I said, you don't want to go with a bullet lipstick because this is way too creamy and it will go everywhere. You don't want that. And also you don't want to use lip gloss because again it's way too creamy, way too sticky, liquidy, whatever. So you want to go with something long lasting or matte. I guess that's it. I'm going to have all the products down below. Again, don't forget to check the info bar. This kind of gives me euphoria vibes, like the space buns and the purple highlight. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I used liquid lipstick on my eyes, then keep on watching. Alright, so as you saw, I just went with this color in my crease as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take a smaller brush, and with the same shade, I'm going to make it a little bit more pigmented in this area. So I'm taking again this shade, and I'm going to apply it right here and slowly build this upwards. And it doesn't matter if the lipstick is a little bit darker than the shade you use as transition, you can still make that work. Just have to blend a little bit more the lipstick with the eyeshadow. I'm going to take again the first brush and blend some more, and it doesn't have to be perfect, I'm telling you. Next, I'm going to go with this OFRA lipstick. This is the long lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Charmed, and I'm going to apply just a little bit, and then I'm going to go with this pencil brush to kind of blend it up. Don't use too much, just a little bit. Okay, you see they are the same color. I wish the lipstick was a hint darker, but it's okay. Oh god, I love this combo. And as you can see, I'm kind of creating this winged cat eye situation. And you don't need that much lipstick. As you can see, I applied it just a little bit and I covered almost the entire lid. Next, I'm going to go with the smaller brush, and I'm going to slowly blend the eyeshadow into the lipstick. I'm going to take just a little bit of this eyeshadow. Okay, that's rude. You can totally leave it like this if you don't want to add sparkle on top, but you know me, I'm going to add just a hint of sparkle. Look how gorgeous that is. And also you can skip the wing liner, but I kind of wanted to create this cat eye-ish. Next, I have two shimmers. They are very similar. This one is a little bit darker and this one is a little bit lighter. So I'm going to go first with the darker one. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, you just apply this in the center for a little bit of sparkle. With the same brush, I'm going with this other shade. This is a little bit more light, and I'm applying this right in the center. I want that pop of light right in the center. Blending a little bit more. And for some extra sparkle, I'm going to go with this Stila liquid eyeshadow glitter and glow in the shade Kitten Karma, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to use the same brush I applied the shimmers, and just a tiny bit because this has glitter in it. As you can see, yeah, it has glitter. I kind of have to wait a little bit for this to dry so I can pick the glitters. So it's working. Oh yeah, you can see that. Alright, as I said, you can totally skip the wing liner and the glitter. If you want to go matte, go matte. So next I'm going to go with this Revolution Pro eyeliner, and I'm going to create this thin wing. Let's hope they will look the same. Don't ask, okay? I tried to do something with my hair. This is the vibe for today's video, okay? So, primer. Foundation. I haven't used this in a while. Cream contour. Wow. Concealer. Setting powder. A little bit of bronzer. And a little bit of blush. Oh, I hate this packaging. And a touch of highlight. This is a little bit old, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to apply it with my finger. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so I just applied some lashes. I went with the Ardell Wispies, and on the bottom lashes, I don't know what to do. I kind of want to keep it simple, so I think I'm going to go with a little bit of mascara, and that's it. Have you guys watched Euphoria? We are not subscribed to HBO, but I can totally sign up for 1 free month to watch Euphoria. So if you guys watch Euphoria, please let me know if you like it and if I should watch it. I already lined my lips with the Colourpop BFF lip liner, and next I'm going to go with the same lipstick I applied on my eyes, and I'm going to add just a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it with a brush. I think I'm going to apply just a tiny bit in the center. This is the Saint Tropez from Anastasia. Oh, this is a lip gloss, by the way. Yeah. Anyway, never mind. Oh, I forgot to highlight my inner corners. I want to go with the Kitty Karma. And to highlight my brow bone, I think I'm going to use again the Colourpop highlight. Alright, so this is the finished result. Today I wanted to create something very easy, very effortless, and I feel like this is pretty effortless. If you don't want to go with the glitters, don't go, and also skip the liner too. Just apply mascara or lashes and you're ready to go. But you know me, I like a dash of glitter in there. Yeah, I feel like it's pretty effortless, if I say so myself. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Also, let me know down below if you guys watched Euphoria and if you feel like I should watch it too. Okay, bye.